Do you want to level up your business in 30 days or less? Well, I'm inviting you to a free online virtual summit. It's called the Epik Summit. It's organized by Systeme, a tool I already presented you in a couple of videos some weeks ago, and I will leave you the links to those videos here in the description. This is a really interesting event because one, it's free, it's online, so you can participate from anywhere in the world. You just need to click on the link you find in the description. You will reach this page. You just need to enter your email address. I already subscribed and reserve your free seat. It will take place from September 8th to September 11th, and I want to show you who you will meet in this summit. These great marketers, these great guys will be presenting their strategies in this virtual summit. For example, Dan Lok, very famous one, self-made millionaire, business mentor. I think you know if you are in the digital marketing space. Aurélien Amaker is the owner of Systeme.io. Then Rich Schefren, this is a very, very famous guy, the teacher of many teachers, let's say like this. And then when you will reach this page, you can see all these mentors, all these YouTubers, all these marketing experts that will participate to this summer and will show you many strategies for funnel creation, email marketing, for example, traffic strategies that can give you a 3x ROI, I think YouTube strategies, and so on. It's free, so I think when there are these opportunities, you need to take your chance because you don't risk nothing. You can learn a lot of things from these people, so why not? I'm just giving you an invitation. It's for anybody, for newbies that can skip the unnecessary confusion and stress of launching an online business, for small business owners that maybe can learn something new and make their business better, and even if you are already advanced, maybe you are already in the top 1%, but you will always learn something new, something interesting. So again, from September 8th till September 11, it will be free, it will be online, so you can watch it from anywhere. Just click on the link you find here below, subscribe with your email address, and that's it. This is the Epik Summit. I suggest you to subscribe. Thank you for watching this quick video. If you want, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in another one.